Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to zoom and navigate long timelines in CapCut for PC, saving time on large editing projects. Let's use this sample project to demonstrate. Scrolling through lengthy timelines manually can be tedious. Here's a faster solution. At the top of the timeline toolbar, locate the Fit to Zoom button. Click it to adjust the view and see your entire project timeline instantly. This gives you a complete overview of your workflow. For more precise control, use the zoom slider directly. Drag it left to zoom out for a broader view or right to zoom in on specific sections. This lets you focus on detailed edits without losing sight of the project structure. And that's it. If this helped, leave a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.